Hey, welcome to my WC Quick Author Writing from the Wayside channel on YouTube. I've got a bit of a report on my Bouge RV 23 quart portable refrigerator and my onboard Dometic refrigerator on my trailer, and the pluses and minuses of both of those in summertime weather. Hot weather camping out in the desert. But for purposes of book promotion, is because I'm WC Quick Author, I've got a novella, Elves Curse You Anyway, out, and it's in print, and I'm going to offer this up in a drawing. The informational, if you watch the video all the way through, you get the information on how to sign up for receiving a free copy of Elves Curse You Anyway. Thank you. I plugged the Bouge RV refrigerator into the 12-volt power point in the trailer. This is the first time I've used this while I'm actually camping. So we'll see how my refrigerator works. Still holding 93 degrees. I set it at 37. I don't know. We'll see. I'll keep everybody appraised of what's going on the trying to keep the amenities, the coolers, the propane, everything started up on the trailer. Solar power's doing well. Got the 100 watt Renogy portable panels out. More coming. I set my goal temperature at 38 degrees. It's been 5 hours. Been over 104 degrees throughout the day. Right now it's probably in the low 90s. Ended up getting around 6 o'clock. I don't believe these Bouge RVs, I don't think their temperature control goes that far past the ambient temperature outside. So at 46 degrees inside the cooler, as opposed to 100 or so outside the cooler, that's to be expected. I was hoping it would work better than that. It also will, on my regular trailer battery, I couldn't pull enough voltage. You need at least 11.8 volts to make this RV compressor work. So I had to rely upon the Bluetti EB55 to put out the power. And it's really sucking it down, 63 watt hours to keep this thing going. So I'll be recharging that baby tomorrow too. But it was good to figure out what I could do with this travel refrigerator, what it'll take. It's not much. Well, I'll keep trying. We'll see what happens. All's well with the onboard battery for the trailer this morning. Got the solar panel up. I was a little concerned that I was drawing a lot of power with that Bouge RV refrigerator I had. That might have tasked. This battery's about 3 years old. I don't want to kill it off by overusing it, but it survived the experience. Got the 100 watt Renogy portable solar panel charging the onboard, and I've got my 200 watt Renogy solar panel charging up my Bluetti EB55. It was taxed all the way down for the process of working on keeping my RV refrigerator, Bouge RV refrigerator, trying to be cool. And it turned out that it isn't going to be cool. I don't want to open it up, but it's inside there. There's other pictures. It cannot function at 100% over 90, 100 degree outside or temperature. It was every bit of 104 degrees outside yesterday, probably 97, 98 degrees inside the trailer. Peak of the day when I was trying to charge up that, or cool down that portable refrigerator. It's not going to work in the heat of the season for me out here. But luckily, I got the propane going and got my RV refrigerator up and running. And it's about 45 degrees inside there, and the freezer is good and cold. So I'm set. It's like every year. Little after 3 the afternoon, October 11th, I've got my Dometic refrigerator freezer on, not complete high, but it's running pretty high. It's well over 100 degrees outside, and it's well over 90 inside here. The temperature is running about 50 degrees, actually near 60 degrees temperature in the refrigerator by the afternoon. Freezer's better off. Anything you want to keep cold, keep in there. Same problem with this is with any refrigerator unit you have out in the desert, out in the heat. You're going to get about I don't know, if it's 100 degrees outside, you're lucky to get 50, 60 degrees in your refrigerator, unless you're really rocking it. I don't think I want to run it that high. Like I said, if I want to run something cool, I'll put it in the freezer section. It'll be getting cooler as the week goes on, so I won't have this problem for most of the winter and spring season that's coming up. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Hey, back at ya. Hope you liked the video on my Bouge RV 23-quart refrigerator and the onboard Dometic refrigerator I have on my trailer, camping from the wayside and riding for my rider's channel on the road. All right, if you would like to sign up and enter the drawing for my free copy of Elves Curse You Anyway, enter in the comments section, enter Elves Curse Promotion. That's all you have to do. Enter in Elves Curse Promotion in the comments section, and I will put you in the drawing for the book Elves Curse You Anyway. And the drawing will happen on October 31st. So thank you again. Hope you enjoyed the video and take advantage of a drawing for a free book.